Hello. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to use Irfanview, a free program, to take and edit screenshots you may use for your assignments. If you don't already have another image editor that you prefer to use, first, obviously, you'll need to download this program. I've already provided a link above this screencast to where you may download the program. Once you've installed the program and opened it up, you'll see a screen that looks similar to this. Next, you'll need to take a screenshot of something. Anything on your screen will do. Let's say, for example, I'm working on the user accounts assignment. I would open up the user accounts panel, and maybe this is the screen I want to look at, or maybe I want to look at create a new account. Let's say that one. Then all I have to do is click on the print screen or PRT-SCN button on the top right of a pretty conventional keyboard. Your keyboard might be a little bit different, but for a typical keyboard, it's going to be in the upper right corner of your keyboard. So I'll just click that. Then I open Irfanview and I go to Edit, Paste, and it's going to paste in my entire desktop, which is going to be probably much larger than you want. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to crop this image. Just pull this down so you can see it. To crop an image, it's very simple. All you have to do is put your mouse down where you want it and then hold it down. So I'm going to drag it all the way to where I want the screenshot to end. Alright, we'll say that. Then to crop it, you go Edit, Crop Selection. Alright. Now I have the screenshot that I want, which just has the user accounts and none of that other desktop stuff. The other thing you're going to want to do typically is to make your image smaller. So next I'll go Image. Where is it here? Resize, Resample. So I'm going to resize it. Let me just drag this over so you can see that. I suggest maybe a width of 600 and let the height fill in automatically for you. You can make it bigger or smaller as you want, but smaller is usually between 400 and 600 is best, because that'll actually show up on the screen and people will be able to see the details. But if you make it too large, then it might be too big for your site and people won't be able to see it very easily. So 600 is pretty good, 500 is another good one. Just going to click OK. That resizes to my image to exactly what I want it to be. So this is my whole image right there. That's perfect. You can do lots of other things in Irfanview. You can change the image to change the colors or convert it to grayscale and so forth. You can even change the rotation of the image. There's lots you can do in this program, and feel free to play around with it. But for the assignments that we're going to be doing, this is typically enough. So once you have this screenshot, you've edited it, you resized it, now you have to save it. So I'm going to save this file. And these are some of the options that they give you. You can pretty much just ignore those. I'm going to save it to save as. So I'm going to give it a name. I suggest just calling it something that's memorable to you. So I'll call this user accounts 2. I've used this one in a previous screenshot, so I have to call it something new. Click Save. Save it on my desktop. Makes it easier to find. And that's it. Now I have an image saved to my desktop, and I'll be able to upload it to my Google Sites. For more information on how to actually include those screenshots in your Google Site assignments, I recommend watching the Lesson 2 screencast that you should have already seen by now. Anyway, thank you.